Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today. But before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and hit the bell notification before you leave. And let's get started. So I'm going to be opening the Meijer Spring Beauty Box. I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside. And I will try to use the products on my channel that I can on camera. So this is what it says it has. But we're not going to look at that too long because I want to unbox it. So, first thing pulling out is this Bond Repair 3-in-1 mist. I'm assuming it's for your hair. Yes, awesome. Next, ooh, these are pretty. Some Kiss Core Design nails. Press-ons. Very cute. Oh, it's already got like the sticky on there. Or no, you gotta put the sticky on yourself. Cool. Next, we have this Pond's Fresh Hydration Vitamin C Moisturizer. Very cool. Gold Bond Vanilla Dream Hand Cream. Ooh, that sounds like it's going to smell really good. We got this chapstick. Very nice. Ooh. Light dry shampoo, fragrance free. Okay, that's exciting. I've tried this brand's before with the smell, but I've not tried light dry shampoo, so that will be interesting. Next, we have a sample of the L'Oreal Paris Midnight Cream, a CeraVe hydrating conditioner. That's cool. And it looks like, last but not least, this Cetaphil foaming cleanser. Ooh, that's nice. So yeah, that's what was in here. I'm going to try to use as much as I can in videos and show you how they work and try to give reviews on them if I can. So yeah, what should I try first? Let me know in the comments.